Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Consistently. Do you feel shy while speaking English? Do you feel you are not confident? Don't worry. Today we will practice a simple conversation that will help you build your confidence step by step. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Hey, how are you doing today? I'm okay, but I don't feel confident in English. Why do you feel that? Because I make mistakes when I speak. That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. But I feel shy when I speak in front of others. Everyone feels shy in the beginning. Even fluent speakers were once beginners. Really? I always think others are better than me. Don't compare yourself with others. Just compare yourself with your yesterday. That makes sense. Tell me, do you understand English when you listen? Yes, I understand a little. That's a very good start. Now you just need speaking practice. But I don't get words quickly when I speak. That's normal. Speak slowly, one sentence at a time. Okay, but I still feel nervous. Try this simple thing. Speak in front of a mirror every day. Mirror practice. Yes, it builds confidence without fear. Okay, I will try that. Also, don't worry about grammar in the beginning. Just speak. But what if I speak wrong English? It's fine. Wrong English is better than no English. I understand now. Confidence comes when you stop fearing mistakes. I think I need to change my thinking. Yes, believe in yourself. You are learning, not failing. I feel a little more confident now. Great. Keep speaking a little every day. I will try daily. Good. One day you will speak English very confidently. Thank you so much for motivating me. You are welcome. Keep practicing and never give up. Very good job. Remember, confidence does not come in one day. It comes step by step with daily practice. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep speaking English every day. If you like this video, stay connected with Learn English Consistently. For more simple conversations, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.